Namaskar, greetings from Kevalidham. Dear friends, since the beginning of this universe, man has been trying to understand the philosophy of mind and the body. How to keep yourself healthy. So for that, we have discovered many modalities which can give you health, which can even treat your diseases. So out of all the modalities what we have today, we are going to talk, we are going to understand, we are going to practice or learn something which is unique and which is most powerful and which can give you health without any side effects. At the same time, today's modern medicine or any other medical modality, it can only treat your physical body, but it can never treat your pranic body, it can never treat your mental body. So we are going to learn what is the best modality which can treat your physical body, which can treat your pranic body, but when you know that you have stress or any problem which is related to your mind, and unless and until that is treated properly, there is no point in just treating the physical body. So we'll be learning in depth about a system which will give you health at your physical level, mental level and pranic level. So in our workshop, you will be learning the basics of naturopathy, then different modalities of naturopathy and the line of management, how we plan. Because in naturopathy, we don't treat the body just like just for a sake of treating, because along with the body, we always understand that every disease is born because of many reasons in your mind also, in your physical body also. So we'll be learning how to treat the body at the physical level, mental level, pranic level and intellectual level. How to keep yourself healthy. And then we'll be discussing about different diseases also. We'll be discussing about the diet which everybody has to follow, everybody should follow to keep your health proper. So friends, this coming 28th and 29th, we have the workshop on essence of naturopathy for better health. So I welcome all of you to attend that workshop and try to learn which is the best system we have in India. This is an Indian system, Indian modality which has to be practiced by everybody. So yoga therapy and the naturopathy. Both we are going to discuss in detail how to treat the diseases and how to prevent the diseases. So I welcome all of you. Let us meet on 28th once again. Thank you.